Featuring an upsized 455 Turbo 400 drivetrain, intense Spanish red on black aesthetics, and acute restoration, this 442 has to be one of the coolest 8-bodies on the planet. And if you're looking for a solid road-ready classic that's sure to turn heads, it's the car you've been searching for. With a striking combination of modernist appeal and open-road prowess, it's virtually impossible to picture this classy Olds in anything other than a happy, sunny landscape. Not long ago, the car benefited from a focused body-on restoration, during which its original sheet metal was layered in vivid Spanish red 2-stage, and a power-operated canvas was unfolded over mirrored chrome, freshened stainless, and a full suite of retro 442 trim. Inside, you'll find a correct black interior that's both comfortable and appealing. At the center of the car, stainless trimmed buckets ride fresh black carpet. A warp-free dash hangs factory gauges beside modern air conditioning and a modern CD player. An optional console frames a stylish shifter, while the driver spins a thick wood wheel around polished spokes. Lift the hood and you'll find 455 cubic inches of red-hot rocket big block that's fed by a reliable Edelbrock carburetor. Power is managed through a TH400 3-speed and is transferred back to a stout 10-bolt rear with posi traction. Tired of the same old Chevelles and GTOs you can find anywhere, anytime? Then take a close look at this head-turning 442. For more information, call, click, or visit arcademotors.com.